caution, cause here comes a motherfucking monster, creeping through the underground, fucking with that violence. Death with dungeon sounds, a crucifix, a Lucifer screaming in the silence. You don't wanna see me when I get violent. I'm that type motherfucker, kill you with that kindness. Since the quiet times, you can hear the fucking silence. The mystery, the viciously complying with the victory. Y'all ain't got shit on me, we invented history. 187 sick and twisted chemistry, splitting personalities during witching hours, like Evan Noah to a prophet till I fucking lost it. Acting like a puppy, but wanna try to dog me. There's not a resurrection like this fucking haunting. I'm out my fucking head. Rob Zombie, unconsciously killing motherfuckers off that wanted.
Catch that soul ride, y'all have to deal with the maggot. You got the world fucked up, like they're fooling the masses. We hit a dry spell, ain't no need to water a cactus. Creating the earth's axis, lead the sheep to the axis. Yo, fuckers and Molly dropping Oxycontin, Suboxone. Wipe your brains off the wall with the shit that we poppin'. What's fire to a man levitating an object? What's God when you think we just dirt in a mosh pit? This is history of war, like study the scars. The shit that's killing faggots and aligning the stars. I'm that hardcore living, not affected by bars. Poison through the television, devil in charge. I watch the sun pass by like, what are they teaching? Government corruption in what you're believing. And we know the apple rotten, but the taste is misleading. Bite the hand of a dominant species.
You're praying for your savior now, but Satan's gonna fake the crown. The world worships a beast, bow down. It's like a circus sideshow now. You're praying for your savior now, but Satan's gonna fake the crown. The world worships a beast, bow down. It's like a circus sideshow now.
Holy hellfire, desire, retire, wraps in my chromosome. Lies, your wire is cut, twisted to your backbone. Terminology, a prodigy, a philosophy, a mockery of honesty, nigga. There ain't no stopping me. Irish beast like Conor McGregor. Can't believe I'm still alive. Eddie Vedder, my cheddar, nice sweater, no letter cut in my flesh. Dwayne, cry me a river, you shiver